In the previous part, we saw how we can do basic calculations in Swift. If we want to do more complex calculations, we will need to save some values. We can use variables for that purpose. Before we explain what variables are, let's see an example first. We will create a new playground file. And let's create a variable. Here we store the value 3 to the variable length. Let's take a close look at the above syntax. We start with the var keyword, which tells the Swift compiler that we are going to declare a variable. After the var keyword, we write the name of the variable, which is length. We then use the equal sign, which is assignment operator in Swift. We will learn about operators in detail later. Simply an operator represents some action. The assignment operator stored the value on the right side to the variable on the left. We say value 3 is assigned to the variable length. Let's say we are going to calculate area and perimeter of a square shape with length 3. Since we have a variable called length with value 3, we can use that variable in our area and perimeter calculation. We get area of a square by multiplying length to itself. Let's write code to do the calculation. Here we calculate area and then save the result to the variable area. Let's print the area. We can see the value 9 appears on the debug area, which is the value stored in area variable. Now let's calculate perimeter of the square. Since the all four sides of a square are equal, we get perimeter by adding length 4 times. We get 12 on debug area, which is the value stored in perimeter variable. As the name suggests, value stored in a variable can change. Let's say we want to reassign value 5 to the variable length. We can just write length equals to 5. Note that we don't need var keyword here. Var keyword is required only when we declare the variable. Let's print the value of length again. This time we get 5 on the debug area. A variable is a data store. We use variable to store and refer to a value by an identifying name. We use assignment operator to assign a value to a variable. Value stored in a variable can change. We can use print function to print variable's value.